There exists an evil in this world so strong that has single-handedly taken hundreds of precious hours off the lives of all mankind. This evil is everywhere and unavoidable, creeping into our lives even when we try to perform basic tasks like eating, traveling, and shopping. It maliciously withers us away under the disguise of hope and a promise for a better future. Since the dawn of time, man has wrenched his soul in two at the mere word. Cues.
As you may have experienced at a grocery store, driving around, or the happiest place on earth, the basic quality of a cue is the role of first in, first out. The first person, or element in CS terms, is at the head of the line and goes first, while the final person, at the tail of the line, gets to go only after all of the others go first. So there are three basic things you can do with a cue. First, you can add an element to the end of the cue. The new element becomes the tail of the cue, and it must now wait through all the others. If the operation is a success, then true is returned. Otherwise, an exception is thrown. The second thing you can do with a cue is remove the head element. This returns the value of the head, and then destroys the unneeded element. The second element then inherits the position of head. The final operation that can be performed on a cue is to peek at the head. This returns null if the cue is empty, else it returns the value of the first element, like in the remove operation, but this time the head element is kept, at least for now. Another type of cue is the priority cue. This type assigns a value to each element, which it uses to determine which element is most important and should go first. Woo! The same operations, add, remove, and peek, apply to priority cues as well.